lot of us from the Yamasee Nation. A lot of us from what is called the Washita Nation. As you move toward the west, Midwest, in the southern region, you know, you got the Washita Nation, you know, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, that whole swath they call the Louisiana Basin or the Louisiana Purchase. That was our land. So all that area, the Washita area. You go further over to Cali, that's, you know, that's Califians. People don't hardly realize or know, because we go into these folk schools, our own history. California is the land of the Califians. And all these folks I'm talking about is black tribes and nations that was here before white folks got here. This is who we are. So the Califians fought these folks until the 1890s. So if you study a little bit, you'll find that. They selling Queen Califia juice all over the place. Queen Califia on the damn juice bottle. Our history right in our face. We don't realize it. So close we can't see it, like the forest where the tree is there. But, okay, so what I'm really saying is that, see, you are Americans. We are Americans. And not U.S. citizens. So you must know who you are, because these two statuses have two different sets of rights or privileges and obligations. So when you don't know who you are, you don't access the value that you have being in your own house. This your house. And that's what I'm really trying to tie you to. Let you know. This your house, America. We ain't all been stole from somewhere else, brung here as slaves, you know, and worked, and now that we free and think we exiled in the land not our own. This is our house. So when you